Humans have been drawn to crunchy food since early history, when crisp textures signaled freshness, safety, and ripeness. In nature, a firm bite often meant a food was free from decay, while soft or mushy textures suggested spoilage. Modern science shows that crunch activates both taste and auditory pathways, heightening sensory feedback and driving stronger satisfaction responses in the brain. This multisensory stimulation explains why crispy foods, from toasted grains to fried snacks, remain universally appealing across cultures.
But the real magic of crunch is emotional. That sharp crackle feels like a tiny celebration, a moment of drama in an ordinary bite. It cuts through silence, wakes you up, makes eating feel alive. Whether it's street-side fried chicken, a fresh apple from a bustling market, or a perfectly crisp spring roll, the sound alone triggers a rush of comfort and nostalgia. Crunchy food isn't just texture, it's atmosphere, memory, and satisfaction wrapped into a single addictive sound.
Follow and stick around for the next story.